A small concept again in our averages. So what the concept was, suppose if 14 students or 14 people, average weight is 50 kgs. If teacher added, means now become 15. So how many people now? Plus 1 increased 15. His average got increased by 2, means 52. Means their average weight got increased by 2, means plus 2. Then what is the weight of the teacher? Then how to do this? See, actual procedure is 14 into 50. Number of people into average value sum. That gives 700. Then 15 into 52. 780. The difference. This is 15 people, this is 14 people. Who is added? One teacher added. The weight of teacher is equal to 80 kgs. Is there any method to solve this? Yes. But the method came from the process only. Like the shortcut came from the method. What is the shortcut? See, actually we are doing 52 into 15 minus 14 into 50. 14 into 50. Can I write this 52 as 50 plus 2, 15 minus 14 into 50, or otherwise 52 into 15 minus 14 as 15 minus 1 into 50. Anyone. Suppose now what happens? 15 into 50 plus 2 into 15 minus 14 into 50. 50 into 15, 14 into 15. 15a, 14a will give a. 50a minus 15a minus 14a gives a. That is 50 plus 2 into 15, 30. Means I will rewrite this equation. 1 into 50 plus 2 into 15. Correct now? Okay. So in another way, what we need to write? (52) into 15 minus 15 into this equation. 50 plus 50 into 1. Now 15a, 15b, what we will get? If I take out 15 common, 15 into 2 plus 50 into 1. I will rewrite the equation. 14 people, average is 50. When a person joined, average become 52. Even this increased, even this increased. Then what happened? 1 into 52 plus 2 into 14 will give 80. Okay, we can do this directly. We will get 80. See, also here we got 80, also here we will get 80. So hereafter we'll do this technique from 14 to 15. Suppose if it is decreased, take minus. Then if it is decreased, take minus. So finally we will get minus. Minus indicates but who left, the left person. Now plus we got, means who joined. Based on this, we are going to solve the questions. See that the average weight of 3 men ABC weight is given as 84 kgs. D joins them. How many more people joined? Plus 1 joined. The weight becomes 80 kgs. Now can we say that the weight of the person who joined, the D's weight, from 84 to 80, it was reduced. Okay, so now 1 into 80 minus 4 into how many people initially? 3 people. Minus 4 into 3, 12. This gives 68. Whose weight it is? D's weight. D's weight is 68. Then what they are saying? If E, whose weight is 3 kg more than D, means E is equal to 71, replaces A, then the average weight of BCDE becomes 79. So ABCD weight is 80, average weight is 80, where A is replaced by E, then BCD weight is 79. How many people joined now? None of them. 0. Then here minus 1. So 0 into 79, 0. Minus 1 into how many people? 4. Minus 4. So this gives whose weight? See, who is initially there? A. Left. Who joined E? E's weight is 71. Then the weight of A is equal to 75. Hope you understood this. Then next. The average weight of 15 students in a class increases by 1.5 kg when one of the students weighing 40 kg is replaced by a new student. What is the weight of the new student? See, simple thing. 15 students were there. Their average weight is, they didn't given, let it be X. Then one replaced by another, means one went and joined, again 15 people are there. Because of this, weight got increased by 1.5, means average got increased by 1.5. Now the weight who increased was 40 kgs. Do this thing. 0 into x plus 1.5, 0, plus it increased by 1.5. So 1.5 into 15. 15 is actually 225. So 22.5. 22.5. Just add this to the person who is replaced. 40 plus 22.5. Means since he went and the person who is more than 22.5 kg joined, so hence the average got increased by 1.5. So we are adding that. So it becomes 62.5. Next question. Mean of 10 numbers is 30. Later it was observed that numbers 15, 23 are wrongly taken as 51, 32. So mean of 10 numbers is 30. So average is 30. Do like this simple thing. Then it was observed that numbers 15 and 23 are wrongly taken. Means 15 and 23 are correct ones. Plus 15 plus 23 are the correct one. Wrongly taken as what? 15. So now we are going to remove them and add this. Now this whole divided by what? 10. So now 15 and 23, 38. And 51 and 32, 83. So total will be 45. Yeah, 45. So 30, this will be minus 4.5 because 45 by 10 is 4.5. This gives 20.5, 25.5. Then in an exam, the average marks obtained by the students was found to be 60. But how many people are there? We don't know. Then the sum becomes 60x. After omission of computational errors, the average marks of 100 candidates had to be changed from 60 to 30. Means 100 people average, 60 to 30 it was reduced. 60 to 30 it was reduced. Means finally 60 minus 30 is 30 of how many people? 100 people. that will be 3000. Now because of this, the average with respect to all the examinees came down of 45. Because of this 100 people, the total average become 45. Means from 60 it reduced 45. 45x. Now bring this 45. What is this 45x? 45 is the average. How many people? 45x. So sum. This is sum and this is also sum. If you subtract this 3000 from that, and it will give 45x. Now 15x is equal to 3000. Then x is equal to 200. So how many people are there? 200 people. X we assumed as people. But simple thing, do like this. See, the change of 100 people average is 3000. The change of average is from 60 to 15 it was reduced. 60 to 45 means 15. We need n. N is equal to change of sum by change of average will give number. Now this is sum by average is equal to number. That you remember, right? So change of the sum by change of the average will give the number of people. 200 people were there. Next, a cricketer whose bowling average is 24.85 runs per wicket, means per wicket he scored 24.85. For 5 wickets 52 runs, then average becomes 10.4. okay, and thereby decreases his average by 0.85. Means this 52 runs for 5 wickets is bad average maybe, so that is why average got reduced by 0.85. Number of wickets taken by him till the last match was. Now overall average, what happened? Is reduced by, means it should be 24.85. Finally it become 24. So first of all, how many wickets? First of all, this for how many innings we don't know. 24.85 bowling average will be taken with respect of wickets into W plus 52 runs. Actually 52 runs by 5 wickets gives average, means runs by wickets is equal to average. It is for bowlers. So runs is equal to what? Average into wickets. So this is average into wickets. Here it is directly runs whole divided by total number of wickets. Here we don't know, so wickets plus 5. This should be equal to, because of the innings, last 5 innings, the average went down to 24. So now if you solve this, we'll get W value. But see, this can be done in alligation also. 24.85 is the initial. Then 52 by 5 is 10.4. Is the last 5 innings, means last few innings for 5 wickets he has taken average. Then overall average got reduced by 0.85, means it become 24. So find the difference. It will be 0.85, and here it is 24 minus 10, 14 minus 4, 13.6. If you take the average, we need to multiply whole by 100. It becomes 1360 to the ratio of 85. 17 8s is 1360, 17 8s, 17 5s. Now see, this average is given as 5 wickets. The ratio we will get in terms of wickets, okay. Then 5 into 1 is 5. So 80 into 1 should be 80. This average for 24.85 is for how many wickets? 80 wickets. The number of wickets taken by him till the last match was 80 wickets. Okay. A cricketer has a certain average of runs for his 8 innings. How many runs? We don't know. For 8 innings, X runs as the average. In the 9th innings, he scored, means one innings increased. He scored 100 runs. Thereby, his average increased by 9 runs. So X plus 9. Then What will be that value? See that 1 into x plus 9 is x plus 9. Then here how much increase? 9 increase. 9 into 8, 72, which will be equal to the given 100. Then x is equal to 100 minus 81 is 19. So they are asking what his new average. His new average is x plus 9. So 19 plus 9, new average is equal to 19 plus 9, 28. The batting average for 30 innings of a player is, cricket player is 40. 30 innings, his average is 40. His highest score exceeds his lowest score by 100 runs. If these two innings are not included, the average of the remaining 28 innings will become 38. See this, reduced by 2, and also average got reduced by 2. Then minus 2 into 38, minus 76, minus 2 into 30, minus 60. This will be minus 136. What is this minus? Indicates they didn't include it. Means what are the two innings, first and the last? Means sum of these two innings is 136. And they given that his highest score exceeds the lowest score by 100. Let the highest is A and the least is B. It excludes by 100. Now, if you add them, B value get reduced, means cancelled. The average 2A means 2A is equal to 236. Then A is equal to 118. This is to find the average. A value means highest means average of these both. Least in the sense difference by 2. So suppose if I want to find B value, subtract, it becomes minus plus. 2B is equal to 36. B is equal to 18. Means what we did indirectly? The difference by 2 means average of the difference. 18 is the least score. Then the average of runs of a cricket player of 20 innings was 32. 20 innings was 32 average. How many runs must he make in his next innings so as to increase his average by 4? Means in the next inning, 21 inning, his average should increase by 36. Here increased by 1, here increased by 4. 1 into 36, 36, plus 4 into 20, 80, will give 116. 116. Next. There were 35 students in a hostel. If the number of students is increased by 7, the expenditure on food increases by 42 per day, while the average expenditure of students is reduced by 1. What was the initial expenditure on food? So there were how many students? 35 students. If the number of students is increased by 7, well, let us suppose that total expenditure I am taking as A. Then A by, there were 35 students. This gives what? Average. And this is exceeded, reduced by 1 because of how many students joined? Increased by, number of students increased by 7. Means the expenditure on the food increased by 42. Means A plus 42 by, now how many students? 42 students. This difference is equal to 1. This made reduced by 1 they given. So if you solve this, we'll get the answer. A, directly take the LCM. A into 42 minus 35A minus 35 into 42 is equal to 35 into 42. Now 42A minus 35A is 7A. 7A is equal to this 35 into 42. If I transpose to the right hand side, it becomes 2 times of 35 into 42. Then 7 ones, 7 5s will give 420. The actual expenditure I assumed as 420. So this is the actual in sense initial 420. Hope you understood this.